Hi, PerspectaWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Tuesday, August 13th. More showers and thunderstorms are coming to the Mid-Atlantic region. In fact, it's already raining across a good portion of the Mid-Atlantic region as we begin the day on Tuesday. This comes after a nice break in the action over the last few days with respect to the ongoing wet weather pattern. There's even the chance for some strong to severe thunderstorm activity later on today into early tonight in at least parts of the Mid-Atlantic region. But right now, there's a thick cloud cover here. We see the very latest satellite image here, a visible satellite image of the Mid-Atlantic region, and all of this area is socked in with clouds right now. We'll check out the radar in a moment, and this tends to reduce low-level heating at least over the next few hours into the midday hours, and that in turn tends to reduce low-level instability. So in areas where the clouds break away, allowing for some sunshine during the next few hours, that will be the areas where there will be a better chance for destabilization of the lower atmosphere and a better chance for some strong to severe thunderstorm activity. And I think that will primarily be south of the Mason-Dixon line. So again, anybody in the D.C., Philadelphia, New York City corridor can receive showers and thunderstorms today with some heavy rainfall, but probably the best chance for severe thunderstorm activity will come roughly in this area south of the Mason-Dixon line, where I expect some breaks in the clouds to form over the next few hours, but it's something we'll keep an eye on as we go into the midday and early afternoon. Well, as we take a look at the radar this morning, the radar really two batches of showers right now, maybe some embedded thunderstorm for the Mid-Atlantic region. First of all, an area right here across the eastern half of Pennsylvania, moving closer and closer to the Philadelphia metro region. Over the next few hours, there certainly can be some shower activity in and around Philadelphia here from this batch right in here. And then notice over West Virginia, eastern Ohio, western Pennsylvania, more showers and thunderstorms. They'll be trending eastward over the next several hours, and that's the area we'll watch for the development of potential strong to severe thunderstorms later today into early tonight. Again, showers very likely in much of the Mid-Atlantic region. Some of the rain can be heavy at times. As far as strong to severe thunderstorm activity, we'll have to wait and see where exactly the sunshine starts to develop over the next few hours. Again, likeliest south of the Mason-Dixon line. Well, here's a current look at the latest satellite surface map, and really a couple areas of interest here for the next several hours. First of all, there's really a warm frontal system that extends all the way in this region right here, and that will be pushing northward over the next few hours. And then we'll have to be dealing with this very slow moving cold frontal system, really a combination of fronts. But first, a warm front gradually pushes to the north over the next several hours. Dew points have risen quite a bit from yesterday, already starting off at muggy levels this morning, and that adds some fuel to the fire here with a warm front moving to the north. This cool front then moves in later on tonight and during the day on Wednesday. Then it stalls out to just to the south and east of the I-95 corridor, keeping us unsettled for Wednesday and Thursday with a continuing chance of showers and thunderstorms on those 2 days. The weekend very well could turn out to be rather decent with some high pressure moving into the Mid-Atlantic region for Saturday and Sunday. Well, let's take a look at last night's 6Z GFS model run. Well, first we'll look at the 500 millibar level. A couple things I want to point out here. First of all, notice some vorticity showing up over the Midwest here, and that plays a role later on today into early tonight. And you can see it kind of presses eastward, a little bit of a dip in the height pattern here over the Ohio Valley later on today. And again, that'll add some upward motion over the Mid-Atlantic region as we go to the mid and late afternoon hours. That could spark some strong to severe thunderstorm activity. Again, with the greatest likelihood probably south of the Mason-Dixon line, where sunshine will boost temperatures way up into the 80s later on today. Lots of clouds this morning, though, throughout the Mid-Atlantic region. Again, as long as those clouds hang around, that's an inhibiting factor to the threat of severe weather. But no doubt we'll all get hit by some rainfall, some heavy rainfall at that, during the next several hours, going into the nighttime hours. Let's keep pushing forward here. And here we go now by tomorrow morning, Wednesday morning. Notice the pattern here from west to east with respect to the 500 millibar heights. This is where that frontal system will stall out as it drops just to the south and east of D.C., Philadelphia region. And because it'll stall out and be in rather close proximity over the next couple of days, will stay unsettled on Wednesday and Thursday with a continuing chance of showers and thunderstorms. Well, let's take a look at the latest forecast maps at the surface from the 6E GFS model run. Starting off today already with really a couple of batches of showers. One moving into eastern Pennsylvania right now here. Notice green here forecasted by last night's GFS model run for early this morning. And then more shower activity, embedded thunderstorms out across the Ohio Valley. Let's push forward here. And a scattered pattern of showers and thunderstorms during the midday hours here. But then it gets a little bit heavier down across the south of the Mason-Dixon line, especially just to the south and east of the D.C. metro region. Notice even surface low pressure here depicted by the GFS model run. That enhances upward motion. So again, I think the best chance for strong to severe thunderstorm activity will be south of the Pennsylvania-Maryland border. Doesn't mean it can't happen in Philadelphia or even New York City, but the best chance is south and east, where more sunshine will boost temperatures to slightly higher levels than across Philly and New York City, for example. Let's now go into the evening hours here. That low pressure right on top of the D.C. to Philadelphia corridor here, with the heaviest rainfall at this time moving south and east of D.C. And let's move forward then into the day on Wednesday. Here we are Wednesday afternoon. Still enough instability with a stalled out frontal system for the chance of showers and thunderstorms. Probably not as widespread as what we'll experience today. That threat continues into Thursday as well, despite some high pressure building in northward. And again, right now it's looking like we have a chance for another decent weekend here in the Mid-Atlantic region. Here's still kind of a scattered variety of showers on Friday. Let's now head into the weekend here, and some scattered showers showing up here on the GFS, but I think for the most part we'll have some sunshine both Saturday and Sunday. This is the forecast map for Sunday morning here. The heaviest rainfall at that time out over the middle part of the nation. High pressure should be strong enough for a decent weekend setting up in the Mid-Atlantic region. Maybe quite warm, nonetheless some sunshine both Saturday and Sunday. But showers and thunderstorms are quite likely today in the Mid-Atlantic region. Some heavy rainfall possible in the D.C., Philadelphia, New York City corridor. And we'll watch for the potential of strong to severe thunderstorms later today into early tonight. The best chance for that south of the Pennsylvania-Maryland border. That's it for now. For PerspectaWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.